snake is pretty smart. You know why?
It doesn't come out.
It's part on the head, on the back. It's not hard. It's tough. But you think what he's dying now, he's feeding the baby. It's really rough.
Oh, wow! I have it. Don't move the boat.
Oh!
My God. Don't move the boat. Don't move the boat. Got a bite of it. Oh my God, you can see in his mouth. It's not letting go. What kind of snake is it?